Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your bank account is empty. No business, no connections, no audience, no rich family. Just a phone, an internet connection, and exactly 365 days. Could you completely change your financial future? Most people would say no. But every year, thousands of ordinary people build extraordinary lives from almost nothing. Not because they got lucky, not because they won the lottery, and not because they found some secret shortcut. They followed a few simple principles that most people ignore. If I had to start from zero today, these are the 3 things I would focus on for the next 12 months. 1. Become valuable before you try to become rich. Most people chase money. Successful people chase value. And that's why most people never get far. Think about it. If I gave 2 people the same opportunity today, their results would be completely different. Why? Because opportunities don't create success. Skills do. The market doesn't care about your dreams. It doesn't care about your excuses. It rewards people who can solve problems. That's why the first thing I would do is learn a high-income skill. Video editing, sales, copywriting, AI automation, marketing, software development, content creation. Anything that helps businesses make more money or save more time. Because the bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can earn. For the first few months, I wouldn't focus on making money. I would focus on becoming so valuable that companies, clients, and customers would be happy to pay for my work. Because money follows value, and value creates freedom.
Turn your skill into income as fast as possible. Learning is important, but earning is what changes your life. Many people spend years preparing. Successful people start before they feel ready. The moment I became good enough, I would start offering my service. Not next year, not next month, immediately. My first goal wouldn't be making thousands of dollars. My first goal would be getting my first customer, then my second, then my 10th. Because confidence doesn't come from watching videos. Confidence comes from doing the work. The first dollar you earn online changes everything. It proves that someone is willing to pay for your skills. And once that happens, the game becomes very different. Now you're no longer guessing. You're building. You're improving. You're growing. Most people quit before they reach this stage. The people who win simply stay in the game long enough.
Build a personal brand while everyone else stays invisible. This is where things become interesting. Most people work in silence. A few people build in public, and those people often grow much faster. Today, attention is one of the most valuable assets in the world. You don't need millions of followers. You just need people to know who you are and what you do. Share your journey. Share what you're learning. Share your mistakes. Share your wins. Post videos. Write content. Create value. At first, almost nobody will care. That's normal. Every successful creator started with 0 views. Every successful entrepreneur started with 0 customers. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest. They're usually the ones who stay consistent long enough. Over time, your content becomes an asset. Your audience grows. Your network grows. Your opportunities grow. And suddenly, doors begin to open that never existed before. Conclusion. Can you become a millionaire in 1 year? Maybe. Maybe not. Nobody can guarantee that. But here's what I can guarantee. If you spend the next 365 days becoming valuable, turning your skills into income, and building a personal brand, you will not be the same person a year from now. Your income can change. Your confidence can change. Your opportunities can change. And sometimes that's all it takes to completely change your future. Because wealth isn't built in a single day. It's built through hundreds of small actions repeated consistently over time.
The question isn't whether 1 year is enough. The real question is, what are you going to do with the next 365 days?